Hi, I'm Andy B., certified trichologist and hair loss practitioner. Did you know that your hair makes sounds? So this is so cool. This machine right here acts as an acoustic camera, so it can really listen to the hair, and by the sounds that the hair makes, we can tell how damaged it is. And if your hair is not conditioned properly, it will actually make a louder sound. And when the hair is properly conditioned, you don't have as much friction on the hair, so we don't hear the sound as loud. I just think this technology is super cool and super interesting, but then again, I'm a hair nerd, right? Did you find that interesting too? Let me know in the comments. Love you guys. Bye.